High-Frec Electrosurgery Unit Guide. Adjust knob. For safe and effective use of High-Frec Electrosurgery Unit, carefully review and follow the guidelines below. The device has two knobs. Right knob. Adjusting coagulation. Scale range, 1 to 10. If unsure of device's specifics, set to scale 3 for general use. Left knob. Adjust cutting power. Scale range, 1 to 9. Recommended settings, 4 to 5 for general use. Handles and cables are detachable for easy daily disinfection. The handle is made of heat-resistant material, supporting high-temperature sterilization. Handling and electrode connection is very convenient. Features direct insertion and removal. No need to remove the cap. This design enhances operational efficiency. Also ensures secure electrode attachments. Provides reliable assurance during use.